And our first participant is Angel Food Cake. This spongy, fluffy cake originated from Missouri, USA. Typically, it goes without frosting. 100 grams of this cake has about 257 calories. Now is the world's most popular cake, the chocolate cake. Originated from USA in 1886, this cake is almost everyone's favorite. It contains 330 calories per 100 grams. Fruit cake originated from ancient Roman. It is dense, made with candied or dried fruit, nuts and spices. A popular cake, but no one likes it. 100 grams contain 323 calories. Banana cake, not to be confused with its cousin banana bread. The cake is lighter, often in layer form and goes with cream cheese frosting. 100 grams contain 312 calories. Tres leche cake originated from Mexico or Latin America. What made this cake special is it is soaked in 3 different kinds of milk. 100 grams has only 245 calories. Instead of frosting, pineapple upside-down cake is topped with pineapple, cherry, and brown sugar, a classic popular cake in the 50s and 60s. 100 grams has about 307 calories. One of the most popular cakes, the red velvet cake, stands out with its crimson red color, moist with a hint of chocolate and vinegar. 3 places had claimed to be the inventor of it. 367 calories. Pound cake is a healthy cake. Consists of 1 pound of each of 4 ingredients: flour, sugar, egg, and butter. Usually goes just by itself or dusted with powdered sugar or a glaze. 390 calories. Fun fact, this delicious German chocolate cake covered in coconut and pecan was not created in Germany. It was made by Mrs. George Clay from Texas, USA in 1987. German came from the name of the chocolate brand that she used to make the cake. 370 calories. Now is the devil of all. The devil's food cake is the opposite of angel food cake. It's dark, rich, and decadent chocolatey flesh that makes you feel sinful because you can't resist eating it. 410 calories. Carrot cake beats all the odds for being the most popular cake that made with the main ingredient from healthy vegetable, the carrot. Nuts and cinnamon make it even sound healthier, but it's loaded with 408 calories per 100 grams. Coffee cake, believed to be from Europe, specifically from Germany, a very sweet cake, may or may not have coffee in it. Topped with streusel, designed to go with coffee and tea too. The British say so. 331 calories. Chocolate pudding cake is a classic. Simply put, it's a soft cake with spoon-on chocolate sauce and typically served warm and goes well with ice cream. 333 calories per 100 grams. Sponge cake is angel food cake's cousin, light, fluffy, and all. But it's a bit moister and richer thanks to the use of whole eggs instead of just egg white, only 289 calories. Ice cream and cake together, perfect marriage, right? But surprisingly, ice cream cake is only popular in North America and Australia. Even more surprising, it's only 260 calories per 100 grams. One more piece for me, please. Flourless chocolate cake is a perfect choice for gluten-free diet individuals. For common guy like me, no thanks, it's too good for me. 443 calories. Yes, you heard that right. The Pretty Strawberry Cake was invented in Ohio, United States in 1845. It's the most popular berry cake, moist and tender with a robust strawberry flavor, 329 calories. Speaking of pretty, a Black Forest cake never failed to impress anyone. Believed to be originated from the Black Forest region in Germany back in the 1500s. It's a chocolate cake filled with black cherries and covered in creamy chantilly frosting. 333 calories. I know. Some may ask what business cheesecake has here. But hey, we the one called it a cake. So let's see how it's compared to the real cake. 343 calories per 100 grams. This is not just another chocolate cake. This is the king of chocolate cakes. If you are a chocoholic, you gotta try this cake. But be aware, it is on the dense side, 405 calories. Italian cream cake, despite the name, just like the case of German chocolate cake, this cake again first made by Americans from Texas. Also similar to German chocolate cake, it has filling of shredded coconut and chopped pecans, 523 calories per 100 grams. Cookie and cream cake or Oreo cake, a kid's favorite. The primary ingredient for flavor is Oreo cookies, possibly originated from USA due to the origin of Oreo cookies, 517 calories. Created by Pillsbury in 1989, confetti cake quickly becomes children's favorite cake with fun rainbow color of sprinkles. It's an easy homemade birthday cake for kids, 358 calories. Although we don't know the origin of pumpkin spice cake, but we do know that we love it very much, especially during fall season. This moist cake is filled with pumpkin puree and spices, 366 calories. We don't know exactly where hummingbird cake got its name from. Some say because it's too sweet, it attracts hummingbirds. Anyhow, this delicious cake spiced with cinnamon, pineapple, and banana is one you should try, 394 calories. We absolutely can't finish a cake list without a representative for citrus family. Lemon cake is a delight. This refreshing lemon-flavored cake is loved by many, including myself, 351 calories per 100 grams. And that completes our list. Now the first ranking, calorie. Keep in mind even the same kind of cake still can be made and modified differently, so these calories may not exactly what you're eating. This list may be useful for making choices based on personal goals. Would you ever thought of flourless chocolate cake has almost twice the calories of Tres Leches cake? Italian cream has the highest calories. Or there anything else that surprised you? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about the world's most popular cakes. Chocolate cake overwhelmingly topped the list. Unfortunately, we only have a short list due to not having enough data available. Anyhow, let me know what you think of this list. Any surprises? Last but not least, favorite cake ranking, and this is all about personal. Here's my list. Let me know if we have the same taste. And I would love to see your personal favorite cake ranking. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my channel. I'm a cook and a baker. Have a great day. Bye.